2016 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, hard disk drive media storage. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.